In this problem, we're analyzing penalty kicks in a soccer game. So there were 214 kicks here total, and we have the kick direction given by the rows, and we had the direction which the goalie jumped given by the columns. So this first question asks us here, what's the probability that the ball was goalie jumped to the right? So we look up here under jump direction, and to the right is this third column here, and there were a total of 43 balls in which the goalie jumped to the right. And remember, probability is desired outcomes out of total outcomes. The total number of balls that they analyzed was 214. So desired out of total for part A is 43 balls where the goalie jumped to the right, divide by 214 total, and if you divide that out on the calculator, you get 0.20 to 2 decimal places. In the second problem, we're asked what's the probability the ball was kicked to the center, but the goalie jumped to the right. Okay, so the kick direction here, it was kicked to the center, and here, and the goalie jumped to the right. So kick to the center and jump to the right. So it has to satisfy both those conditions, so it's in the center row and the right column, which is that 13 balls. And again, it's out of 214 total that were analyzed. So 13 desired out of 214 total is 0.21 if you calculate that. Last question. What is the probability that the ball was kicked to the right given that the goalie jumped to the center? So that given is telling us we're looking at a conditional probability. So the conditional probability, you look at the given condition, which is here, jump to the center, that restricts your total outcomes. So the number of outcomes where the goalie jumped to the center is this total down here, 104. And so that is our denominator. And then out of those 104 balls where the goalie jumped to the center, we want to know how many of those were kicked to the right. So now we look at kick direction here, and the ones that were kicked to the right there, 28 out of that 104. So 28 out of 104, which is 0.27 as a decimal.